40 रोज़ा इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज कोर्स के तालिब इल्म हसन मeraaj वो 1.5 मिनट में अपने जज्बात का इजहार फरमाएंगे।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you, sir, to invite me here, and this is my honor to stand here among all of you on this special day of independence. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Hassan Meraaj and I am from Chiniot. And I am very thankful to sir, to our respected teachers, to give me an opportunity to share my opinions and thoughts on the 40 days English language course. I am glad to know that I have got plenty of the skills of English language speaking, English language listening, and English language reading and writing. And second one, I am very thankful to Maulana Talha Hamdani to organize that such an opportunity for the students of schools, colleges and universities. At the end of this speech, I would like to request all of you that whenever you got that opportunity, never waste it, try to avail it. Thanks to listen me carefully. Thank you so much.